0, 1. Let's get started.
Welcome to another edition of Pre-Web. We will be going over the game. Last night's game had Zach Evan very good. He pitched 6 innings to improve to go to 4-0. Gunnar Henderson and Cedric Mullins hit home runs, and it was a 5-1 victory over the Boston Red Sox. Evan has won all 4 of his starts since coming to Baltimore from Tampa Bay before the trade deadline. He allowed a run, 5 hits, and he struck out 8 without a walk. You should always take a walk. Henderson went deep, Mullins went deep. Mountcastle delivered a pinch hit single in the 6th to make it 4-1. And let's see, Baltimore is 6-1 against the Red Sox this year, and 27-13 against the rest of the American League East. And now let's look at the standings. The standings: American League East. Baltimore and New York are tied at first, 72-50 each. Boston, they're behind by 8. Both teams are 63-57. The Rays are 12 games behind at 59-61, and the Blue Jays are 57-64, 14.5 games behind. Awesome. Okay, let's see what else we got going on. We have, for your viewing pleasure, next game will feature Corbin Burns, the Orioles' best pitcher, and Brendan Bernardino is the left-hander for the Red Sox. Tonight's lineup: hitting first, switch hitter, catcher, Adley Rutschman. Batting second, Anthony Santander. Right fielder, also a switch hitter. Next, Gunnar Henderson. Hits left, shortstop. Hitting fourth, Ryan Mountcastle, right-hand hitter, playing first base. Then we have Colton Cowles, left-hand hitter, playing left field. We have, that's fifth, and hitting sixth is Elroy Jimenez. He hits right, and he's the DH. He's not only the designated hitter tonight, but in case there's a celebration, he's also the designated driver. Thank you. And then we have Cedric Mullins. Let's not forget Cedric Mullins, one of the great hitters. Batting left, playing center field. Put me in 2. And batting ninth, Ramon Urias. He is batting right-handed. He plays third base. And that's all the show we have time for tonight, or words to that effect. That's the Jolly Richards. Where's that